A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So we were doing our chapter number 4 of chemistry, that is materials, metals and non-metals. So yesterday we discussed what happens when metals and non-metals react with acids and bases. Now today we'll continue the chapter and learn about displacement reaction. Okay? So before learning displacement reaction, let us understand what is an aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. So the solution of any substance with water is known as its aqueous solution. Like if we mix any substance with water, it is known as the aqueous solution. Got it? Like the solution of copper sulfate in water. When we dissolve zinc granules, zinc metal in water, so that is what the aqueous solution. Got it? So the solution of any substance with water is known as its aqueous solution. So now what is displacement reaction? Displace, as the word suggests, displace, taking the place of some other thing. Listen to the definition first. The reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces or takes place of a less reactive metal from its aqueous solution. Like for example, there is a substance A, okay, and there is an aqueous solution of B and C. Got it? There is an aqueous solution and there is a substance A. So now what happens? A is more reactive than B. The substance A is more reactive than B. So what will happen? A will take place of B. You can see here B was with C. Now A is with C because A is more reactive than B. So A has taken place of B and combined with C, and B is left alone. So this is a displacement reaction when a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its solution, aqueous solution. This type of reaction is known as displacement reaction. When a more reactive metals, always a more reactive metal will displace a less reactive metal. A less reactive metal cannot take place of a more reactive metal. So this is known as a displacement reaction.